When we are talking about the metabolism of amino acids, you see that we come across different sort of the products of this metabolism. On the basis of these products, or more accurately on the basis of the nature of these products, the amino acids are categorized as glucogenic or ketogenic, or both glucogenic and ketogenic. We will see how. So, for instance, the amino acid like asparagine or aspartate, they give rise to the formation of oxaloacetate. Aspartate, you should keep in mind, the enzyme asparaginase is used when we want to treat leukemia, because the leukemic cell, this cancer cells, make use of the asparagine levels to really proliferate. Then there are amino acids like glutamine, proline, arginine, and histidine, which give rise to the formation of alpha ketoglutarate. You have seen that alpha ketoglutarate is the product when you you get rid of the amine group of the glutamate, a very, very important reaction. And the enzyme, of course, involves the glutamate dehydrogenase. Then the amino acids which give rise to the formation of pyruvate like alanine, serine, glycine, cysteine, threonine, they all give rise to the formation of pyruvate, a very, very important component of the glycolysis. Then phenylalanine and tyrosine, they catabolize, giving rise to the formation of acetoacetate and fumarate. In this way, because they are giving rise to both fumarate and acetoacetate, they are glucogenic and ketogenic, because acetoacetate leads towards the ketogenic products and the fumarate leads towards the glucogenic. Then there is the amino acids which form the succinyl CoA like methionine, valine, isoleucine, threonine. Then again there are the amino acids whose catabolism leads to the formation of acetyl CoA and acetoacetyl CoA like tryptophan, leucine, isoleucine, and lysine, out of which the two amino acids, out of the all 20 amino acids you have, the two amino acids, lysine and leucine, are purely ketogenic. Then there are branch chain amino acids also, which have a branch like isoleucine, leucine, valine, and they also give rise to the formation of, let's say, succinyl CoA or acetyl CoA. So, all in all, we can categorize these amino acids on the basis of the product, that whether they are ketogenic or glucogenic or both. For instance, the glucogenic, there are 13 amino acids which are glucogenic like serine, glycine, alanine, arginine, histidine, glutamine, methionine, asparagine, glutamate, aspartate, cysteine, proline, and valine. These orange one, they all are glucogenic. Glucogenic mean that they can be a part of the process of the formation of glycolysis through the gluconeogenesis process. And then there are the two amino acids which are ketogenic, that is, they end up in making the ketone bodies, this is leucine and lysine. And then there are the amino acids which are both ketogenic. These are 5 amino acids which are both ketogenic and glucogenic, that is threonine, isoleucine, phenylalanine, tryptophan, and tyrosine. So, in this way you have 3 categories of amino acids in which you can categorize them. One is the glucogenic, then the ketogenic, and then the both glucogenic and ketogenic. But why we have to divide them? I mean, it's not really something we can say if a great biological implication it has, but it's good to divide them because you can understand in terms of the metabolic outputs this catabolism of these amino acids would go give. For instance, if amino acids are going to be part of the glucogenic chain, I mean, if they are going to give the products which will become glucogenic or which are glucogenic, which means that they involve in the formation of glucose. And you need glucose under circumstances. I mean, under most of the circumstances, your body needs glucose, and that's why they are very important. But under certain circumstances, specifically when you don't have much glucose, then there have to be other energy resources, and ketone bodies are one of them. So that is where leucine and lysine comes, that under starvation condition, for instance, you have these ketogenic amino acids which the catabolism of whom then compensate for the energy demands, fulfill the energy demands, because not much glucose available, so that you can make use of the ketogenic product.